Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Cotinine ELISA kit. So as you can see, this is the top and this is the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So as you can see, this is the Calbiotech Cotinine ELISA kit. You can see the reference number here, CO096D. So and you can see the expiry and the manufacturing date here. It has a standard expiry of 18 months. Also, this is a 96 well plate standard ELISA kit. It has an optimal storage between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and you can see it is stored in a cool gel pack. You can see the pack content over here, the coated well plates, the control and the standard set, the enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate, and the certification of analysis. You can see the manufacturing address over here. This is manufactured by Calbiotech in California, USA. It's an IVD C certified product. You can see the temperature control symbol over here. So, and on the other side of the kit, you can see this is a immunoassay kit. It is manufactured in the USA by Calbiotech. That's the manufacturing address. So guys, let me open this kit for you. So as you can see on the top, we have the Calbiotech Cotinine instructions for use, the IFE brochure. So let me take this brochure out. So as you can see, this is the Calbiotech Cotinine ELISA kit. You can see the catalog number here, CO096D. It's a 96 well plate ELISA kit. It is intended for using the Calbiotech direct ELISA measure in the serum, urine and saliva. You can see all the instructions of the kit. And also, with the help of this brochure, you can do the analysis of cotinine present in the serum, urine and the saliva sample. So this is about the Calbiotech ELISA kit. So let me keep this aside. Next, we do have the certification of analysis. So this is the Calbiotech Cotinine certification of analysis. You can see all the different lot numbers and their expiry dates present in the reagent. So this is the certification of analysis. So let me keep this here. Then we have the well coated with the polyclonal antibody kit, the 96 well plates. You can see this is you can see the reference number here, the lot number here. You can see this needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So let me keep this here. Further, we have a couple of reagents which I am going to explain to you. So let me take this reagent out. So these are the reagents which are present in the Cotinine kit. So as you can see, there is a couple of reagents. First, we are going to see the Cotinine control 1. Then we have the Cotinine control 2. Then we have the couple of standards like the Cotinine standard 1. Then we have the standard 2. Then we have the Cotinine standard 3. This is the Cotinine standard 3. Then we have the Cotinine standard 4. Then we have the Cotinine standard 5. Then this would be the Cotinine standard 6. So apart from the standards and the control, there are other reagents present like the HRP enzyme conjugate. Then we have the TMB substrate. We have the stop solution. Then we have the wash concentrate. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Cotinine ELISA kit. So as you can see, the kit comes with well coated with polyclonal antibody kit. Then we have all the controls, the 6 standards. Then we have a couple of reagents. Then it comes with the IFE brochure for the Cotinine kit. Then we have the certification of analysis. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Calbiotech Cotinine ELISA kit. Thank you.